Sabela Puffisu, good morning, good morning, good morning. Fish, fish, fish. Everybody, Puffisu. Welcome to our FxPro Traders. Push, push. Yeah, Puffisu. This is it. Sanbona Ninjani, Airpila. Fish. Okay, guys. Sanbona. Yes. Let me set up for you so you know what I'm doing. So you know what I'm doing. This is how I do it. Yes. Okay, but it's Johnny. This is how it is. This is how we do it at FxPro Traders. I'm going to show you how we quickly analyze the markets at FxPro Traders. It's very easy. This is how we do it. Now, for intraday traders, use your weekly time frame. You can trade holding for 3 days or 5 days using this strategy. Now, all you need to do is go on your 4-hour time frame. Use time period separators. We have a 10 moving average, simple closed. We have our stochastics, as you can see, it's 833. Further, this is how we do it. Let's zoom in. Let's say we have this week here. This is the beginning of the week. This is the end of the week. Now, what are we doing here? We're looking for a first low of the week and the first high of the week. So in this case, this is our first low of the week. Yeah, I like as our support. And now from there we move up there, and we have a high of the week, best high of the week. Now from there we can spectate the market from moving up and down, testing the support and resistance. Now, as you can see, we move from that high, we made a low, rejected the support. By rejecting this support, now this is where we rejected support, as you can see there. This is where we rejected the support, as you can see there. As soon as the support is being rejected, now we expect that the market is going to break the 10 moving average. As soon as it breaks the moving average, you start looking for buys. Now, as you can see, upon here, our stochastic has touched, the main has touched the 2011, which is overbought crossing, moving all the way up. So as soon as this crossover happens and this breakout happens right there, we have a bullish bias. You now wait. You need to wait, guys. You don't just get in there. If you know a moving average strategy, you would have waited for this retesting candle and started buying them. But now, because we are trading based on this support and this resistance there, you only wait for the market to go break up, right? As soon as it breaks up like that, you now know if as soon as it breaks up like that, there's a candle breaking up. This candle We have this candle breaking up right there, this big candle. As soon as it's done breaking up, you're now waiting for your retest. As soon as the retest is done, as you can see, we have a retest right there. As soon as the retest is done, you can now start pushing your buys in. You can see, you can start now pushing your buys in. As soon as you can push those buys, you can buy here. By this breakout, you could have bought as soon as this candle closes, all the way moving down to the upside. This is you in now. For take profit scaling, I would rather use the range as a take profit scaling. You can see, you can take these moves. I don't know, man. Come on. It's easier. It's easier this way. For profit scaling, it's very easier. Just take this range here. As soon as, let's say you wanted to buy here, this is what you buy, take the range, double it. Now this is your take profit. If you see the market going as higher as that, it won't pass the range. As soon as it does that range, you'll be looking for sales. It might move a little bit high, but you'll be looking for sales. So this is how we take our take profit scaling. Other than that, you would also follow the moving average as well. As soon as we had this breakout, right there, you would have seen a clear exit to the downside. Now, as I told you, this lasts maybe for more than 2 days, 3 days. It happens that it lasts more than 3 days. So we can check. Go back to 1 hour. Let me squeeze this. Now this was the week. Okay, let me go back so you know where the week started. This is the start of the week. So go back to 1 hour. Now our week started right there. We have first high, first low. As we have this rejection on our 4 hours. Now we're seeing the market moving up, breaking up, leaving this block, coming back to it, moving up to the upside. Now look at this. Back to the upside, moving all the way up. Now as soon as this was done, you would have taken your take profit as well as the second take profit. You would have taken your side profit, yeah, which is your 2 to 3 scaling ratio. Now as you can see here on your 1 hour time frame, as we move away from this, moving above the resistance, now we have the crossover, which gives you a signal to buy. And we have another one here, which is another signal to buy. As soon as we can take 2 above this resistance, one and this one. As soon as this one is done, you could have exited right there. That's it, right? This is your boy Black Vampire FxPro Traders. This is let's do another one. 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 If I'm quick, guys, I'm gonna clear this out. But nevertheless, we do have our strategy guide. It's only sold for $1 on Amazon. Please go check it out on Amazon. $1. I'll share the link so you can check it out on Amazon. It's called FxPro Traders Trading Guide. This is how we do it, guys. For those who use trend lines, this is how you can use your trend line. From this retest, this is where the market should be entering. From retest, breakout, re-entry. Now we have a trend line from there. So I believe the market is going to go up and then go back down as well. We don't know. Let's see. Let's wait. Now let's go for the second week. Go back to a 4-hour time frame. This is our second week. We're doing the same process. Looking for the first, what you call, we'll be looking for first high and first low of the week. So in this case, the market went down. We made this low. We highlight that low all the way up. Right? Now from this, we will make this high right there. So we highlight this high as well. All the way there. Do check now. Okay. Now as soon as it's highlighted, what do? Again, we look for what happened when the market made that high up. The market went rejected, it went down. It went down, look at that, that's a rejection. As soon as it opens down, made a low, made a high, we rejected this. So the market going down, we're only waiting for it to go up. Now, as you can see, there's your stochastics right there crossing over below the 20. That was your signal, and you have another signal. As soon as this moving average is broken, you wait for them. As soon as this is breaking up, you wait for this opposite candle to break, to close. As soon as it closes, then you now have a move up. Now, only if you were trading moving averages, this would have been your entry right there, right? Now, because the main cause of this strategy is for you to understand how to trade support and resistance using price action. Now, as we said, we had the rejection right there, which meant the market needs to go back up and break the resistance, right? Now, as soon as this happens, you get your first buys. If you miss these buys, you wait for the market to break up above the support, turning into a resistance. This is where it does this. This is where it does that. Again, as soon as that, you wait for the opposite candle. Wait for this opposite candle. As soon as it closes, you now know you're looking for buys, right? You know you're looking for buys. You can also wait for the stock to cross over again to give you the buys. As you can see, wait crossover. It crossed over right, it went back right to it went back right to our resistance, made a crossover, and then we started moving up. Now you only wait for this breakout. As soon as this breakout happens, now you can start waiting for this crossover. The crossover will only give you a move up. Again, if you're trading moving average, this is very simple. As soon as this crossover happens, you wait for moving average to break up, wait for opposite candle, start buying. Now, same thing happens for profit scaling. You use the range, take the range, put it above. As soon as you buy here, you wait for the market. This is your moving average buy, but you would have waited for this high here, the recent high that we made. This is where you would have bought. Buy as soon as it breaks. Now, it's from there you take the same range, put it above, 2 times to 3 times. That's it. Thank you guys. I will be showing more examples and trading live on Forex on Traders Trade FX Live on YouTube. Check out the channel as well on Tuesdays and Thursday, 8 p.m. and 12 p.m. New York session and London session. Thanks, you God.